All right, so May 2017, question number 10A says, P, Q, R, and S are 4 points on the circumference of a circle. So that makes PQRS a cyclic quadrilateral. Shown below, angle QRS is 58 degrees. Using the geometric properties of a circle to give reason for each step, determine each step of your answer. You're asked to determine the measure of angle SPQ. You determine the measure of angle SPQ, that is this angle here. All right. Whenever 2, 3 letters are used to reference an angle, the angle is always at the letter in the middle. All right. Now PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, and opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, angle SPQ is equal to 180 minus 58 degrees, which would make this 122 degrees. They are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. There are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, and opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees. So the 58 degrees and the angle at P must add up to 180 degrees. Next, we're asked to find angle OQS, angle OQS, that's this angle here. That's that angle, angle OQS. All right, what am I going to use and find that? I'm going to use the fact that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. I'm sorry, that this is an isosceles triangle. I'm going to call this angle here alpha. All right. If this is an isosceles triangle, O is the apex. The angle at Q and S, they are equal. So I'm going to call them theta because they are the base angles of an isosceles triangle. So I'll start off by saying that alpha is equal to 2 times 58 is equal to 116 degrees. And the reason for this is that the angle at center is equal to 2 times the angle at circumference. All right, the angle at the center, which is the angle at O alpha, is equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference, which is 58. It's equal to 116 degrees. Now, theta plus the 116 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. They are the interior angles of a isosceles triangle. So 2 theta would be equal to 180 minus 116 degrees. 2 theta would be equal to, that would be 64 degrees. Divide both sides by 2. So therefore, theta, which is angle OQS, would be equal to 32 degrees. Theta, which is angle OQS, is equal to 32 degrees. All right, let's stop here. And then we'll start our next video to do the next part of the question.